Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the Philips Active Fit earbuds with the ear hooks. Okay, on the top, 15 to, or here's all the specs. Sorry. It's not that good. Oh, there we go. Here's the side. This Philips logo. Front says Philips. What it comes with. Some little writing. And right here it has a free app for Apple, I believe. In the back it has what it comes with right here. The ear tips, tuned for sports, sweat proof, extra durable. Okay, I already tried opening these earlier, so it's quite a small box though. Kind of tearing it to make it easier. Here it is. The earphones themselves. A little baggy. Feels, it's like a mesh. Yeah. Sorry, I just got a notification. Different ear tips. Get them out. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so you can see here that it has a big 90-degree headphone, 3.5mm headphone jack that plugs into your phone. And here it has where it splits off into the different wires. Okay, it seems like in the bag they have the other tips. Yep. Here it is. As you can see, it has a small ear tips and the large. And on the headphones, they have the mediums on. So, see if there's anything extra in the box. Just looks like some instructions on how to adjust them to your ear. Oh. To adjust them to your ear, and to put the other ear tips on. So, oh, it also comes with this little clip. It says Philips on it. on other reviews that I saw, these had the little control talk for Apple devices, but this one does not seem to have it. So here you go. This is everything you'll get if you buy the Philips. This is all the stuff you get if you buy the Philips Action Fit SHQ 3200. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to see more videos.